For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet. This is the weather brief for East India, mainly covering Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal region. After the cyclone outburst over Konkan region, the remnant of the system or the weakened system of Nisarg cyclone has moved inside gradually, moved across parts of Maharashtra and over Madhya Pradesh, and then yesterday it gave Madhya Pradesh and even eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh had some rains because of that system. Currently that system is now moving further northeastward, and we can see the rains also progressing and then reaching mostly over the eastern parts now, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal region. When we see, we can appreciate this rainfall better in this picture. The low pressure area, which I said earlier, is moving across. It has gone past from Madhya Pradesh, MP, and then thereafter via Uttar Pradesh. It's reaching over nearly foothills of Bihar and central parts of that. This is what is causing rainfall. We can see the dark blue and blue shade rains mostly over Bihar, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal region. It is clearing this area, clearing Chhattisgarh area, clearing now Madhya Pradesh region. Gradually it's reaching over these parts now. We can appreciate it better even in the satellite picture. The clouds, we can see it now at the moment over parts of Bihar and adjoining area. Clouding is there. Earlier the same clouding had moved across these parts. That's eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh adjoining Vidarbha region. Even Uttar Pradesh eastern parts had fairly heavy rains. That is yesterday, past 24 hours. At the moment the clouding is confined to Bihar, West Bengal and Sub-Himalayan West Bengal region. Patna, Gaya at the moment is overcast sky. Could be raining anytime now. This will last for the next about 24 hours over the region, and the present conditions can be seen even over radar picture over the region, Patna radar. This is what we're showing. We can see some patches. This is the animation for the last about 3 hours, and then we see these patches. They are moving from the southeast side or so, and then coming across Bihar region, even covering Patna, Gaya, and then moving further forwards. Actually closer to the foothill the rainfall is going to be more. This activity is going to last for the next 24 hours and reduce thereafter. But then in the 24 hours there could be some heavy showers also. Moderate, in any case rainfall is going to be spread out, especially over Bihar and adjoining Sub-Himalayan West Bengal region. The lower portions, that is Gaya down below up to Jharkhand and then Gangetic West Bengal will have less weather activity. Tomorrow this activity will reduce further, and thereafter it is going to totally subside, which will last for the next few days. We will wait then again for revival of this with another spell when the system comes up in the Bay of Bengal. This is the update for East India now. Keep watching Skymet for further updates. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.